All right, today's topic is about volume. Okay, so we just did our lessons on surface area, and now we're going to get into volume. So volume is everything that's inside of a 3D shape. Okay, so if we look at this water bottle, right? The surface area is on the outside of everything. The volume is how much can this water bottle hold? How much is on the inside? Okay, so three shapes we have for volume. Oh, actually we have four shapes. Okay, so our first shape we're gonna do is our box. Okay, so box. All right, and our formula, okay, is V equals length times width times height, and that's it. Okay, so if I draw this out, at that, right, you got length, width, height. Okay, that's it. And just multiply those three numbers together. That's all you gotta do. So, for example, let's say we have a box. Okay, and we have 4, 3, and 5. All right. If we have 4, 3, and 5, right, all we're gonna do is set it up just like that. So, V equals 4 times 3 times 5. Okay. And if you want to use a calculator, you can do that. All you're going to do is 4 times 3 times 5, 60. So V equals 60. Okay, that's it. That's all you do. Multiply three sides. That's all you got to do. Okay? Let's try one with 6.2, 1.3, and 4.7. Okay, so same thing. Multiply the three numbers, right? 6.2 times 1.3 times 4.7. Okay, multiply three numbers up. 6.2 times 1.3 times 4.7 equals 37.88. Okay, that's really all there is to it, guys. Okay, so box, volume of a box or rectangular prism, not that hard. Okay. Now, if you look in our textbook, okay, look at our textbook, and if we look at number, if I can find it here we go, 6. Okay, so number 6 in the textbook in the first assignment, okay, says if the volume of a cube is given as 42 cubic feet, estimate its dimensions. So basically, we're given a cube and its volume of 42. Okay, so how it's going to go is we have a cube. Now, what does a cube mean? It means all the sides are the same, right? So the volume equals 42. We need to find what each of these sides are. Okay. Now, if they're the same, okay, that's just an easy button we can do on the calculator. Okay. So what you want to do is we need to do this. We need to do the cube root. Okay. So it's kind of like square root, but there's a 3 here. It's a cube root. Okay. So a square root is what when you do take a number and it's 2 numbers that multiply to each other. A cube root is 3 numbers. Okay. So do on a calculator, right? We're going to use this button right here. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our number 42. Okay. We're going to hit our second button. Then we're going to hit this button right here because you see it right here. If you look, we want that part right there. The X and then the square root, a little root sign, and then Y. Okay. So 42, second button, this button here. Now we want our 3 because that's what it is, the cube root, and that equals 3.48. Okay. So for example, if you did this number, okay. All right. And we did this to the third power. So basically we took this, we did this to the third power. Our answer is 42. Okay. So each side is 3.48 because 3.48 times 3.48 times 3.48 is going to equal us 42, okay? And that's our answer for number 6, okay? Now, what if they give you something where it's like backwards, okay? What if they give you this, give you a cube, they give you like 5 here and 4 here. They want you to figure out what that number is there, and they give you the volume of 100. Okay. So what if they do that? Well, this is a simple problem, okay? Plug it into our formula, right? Our V is 100. Okay. Let's change this to an H, right? Okay, find the height. Height's here. We have our length. Our length is 5. So our length is 5, and our width is 4, and we need to find our H. So what do? Well, multiply what we have. 5 times 4 is 20. Bring down your H, bring down your 100. To get H by itself, divide each side by 20. And our height, 100 divided by 20, which is 5. Okay? And that's how you work backwards with these problems, okay? That's all there is for the box.